On our visit to France this time, we've decided to use the camping car park app. We got a card sent to us within 3 days in the UK, and basically now we can just turn up, tap our card, you put credit on the card, tap our card in and tap our card out. There's a number of stop-offs around the region with electric hookup, wastewater, fresh water, and you can see by some of the stops that we've taken some of the most amazing stopovers. Definitely worth investigating and very simple to use. Gives you the live number that's being utilised at the moment. I mean, look at this. Imagine, I mean, it's not cold. I haven't got a jacket on today. I know I've still got the cold, but look at this. So this is in Bray Sur Somme. So basically I pre-booked this off the ferry. It took an hour and 40 minutes to drive down here. We fell in love with it. So we booked 2 nights. But basically what happens is, if you pre-booked and you have your card, as you can see, you've got safety gates, everywhere's cameraed. So all I would do was scan my card here, because I pre-booked, boom. That'll open, in you go. Now this one is so at the moment, it's saying that there's 9 available spaces, which is right. There's only a 10 bay here, all with electric. So you literally scan your card, pay, so you can just turn up on the night, scan and pay. So there's Dolly. We're getting ready to move on today. You've got your waste here, you've got your fresh water all working. Look, and obviously you've got your filter to pick toilet down. But I mean, it's just lovely. So the first night we arrived, which was Saturday, we had 2 other vans with us, so there was only 3 of us in total. And then last night we were on our own. It's just gorgeous. I mean, this Somme River, I did some Googling, it's like 153 miles long. Definitely different from when we arrived, because we were full of the snow. But look, it's still, you couldn't get any better. And there's fishing lakes all around, so it's really popular with the fishing men. We got a carrefour, so you can literally walk to the carrefour. That's Matt moving. We're going to obviously empty our toilet, fill up some fresh water, all that kind of thing. There he is, God love him. And we're moving on today. We are going down to Le Mans. Dolly's very dirty. There you go. He just drives on. You can see he'll release any waste. This just goes on for miles. Beautiful little boat. But yeah, so you've got a carrefour 5-minute walk, if that. Absolutely lovely. Went in there yesterday, did our food shopping. There's a cafe in the town, a couple of churches, you know, just a cute village. But if you want peace and quiet, and that's why we didn't go and stay in Arras. We woke up at 9 this morning. We've just had the absolute perfect rest for 2 days. We've had no noise at all. So as you can see, the electric hookups here, and you plug and play. We haven't bought any fancy European plugs, just your bog standard. And like I say, you scan in, scan out. So when we leave shortly, we will scan out on here. You can top up your card via your bank. So when we leave, we will scan here, and yeah, that's it. But like I say, once you've got the card, it's valid for life, for the €5 that you paid. Be sad to leave you. It's been lovely.